Listen carefully because this next person will come from this side. Anyone it can be. Be careful. Okay. So, topic is dream. Ma'am, your topic is dream.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I am ready.
Yes, I am ready. ठीक
Topic is dream.
ठीक.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon, friends.
Good afternoon, friends.
How are you today?
How are you today?
You all are fine.
You all are fine.
You all are fine.
You all are fine.
But I'm not fine.
But I'm not fine.
I have dreams.
I have dreams.
I have dreams.
I have dreams.
Do you know
Do you know
what is dream?
what is dream?
Do you know
Do you know
what is dream?
what is dream?
I want to tell you.
I want to tell you.
What is dream?
What is dreams?
The dream is
The dream is
which do not allow to sleep.
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 The real dream is
The real dream is
which we see in the open eyes.
which we see in the open eyes.
This is the real dream.
This is the real dreams.
We sleep in night.
We sleep in night.
We see the dreams.
We see the dreams.
These are not the dreams.
These are not a dream.
The actual dream is not the, don't let us sleep.
Don't let us sleep.
This is my real dream.
This is my real dream.
These are the real dreams.
These are the real dreams.
Don't allow me to sleep.
Don't allow me to sleep.
I want to do my something.
I want to do my something.
I want to do something for my dreams.
I want to do something for my dreams.
I will take stand.
I will take stand.
I will work hard.
I will work hard.
I will move forward.
I will move forward.
I will face the problems.
I will face the problems.
I will grab all the opportunities.
I will grab all the opportunities
And I will win.
and I will win.
One day.
One day,
I'm sure
I'm sure
I'm not good nowadays.
good nowadays.
I'm very sad nowadays.
I'm very sad now at
But I'm working.
but I'm working.
But I'm working.
But I'm working.
But I'm working daily.
But I'm working daily
As soon as it clever. Next person. Try to copy me. It will be good. Okay. So, my friends, I want to say you something.
I want to say you something.
Education is very important.
Education is a very important.
So, our topic is education.
Education.
You don't know
You don't know
the value of education.
the value of
If
education.
you- So, education.
So education.
I want to say you
I want to say
how important it is
how important it is
without education.
without education.
How I can get a job.
How I get the job.
How I can get a job.
How I get the job.
How I will support my family.
How will I support my family?
How will I help my father?
How will I help my father?
How will I help my mother?
How will I help my mother?
Education is important.
Education is very important.
I will work on it.
I will work on it.
I don't have
Nowadays
money,
money,
but I will not leave my education.
I don't leave my education.
I will keep work hard on 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 my education.
I will study hard.
Study hard.
I will improve my English.
I will improve my English.
I will improve my communication.
I will improve my communication.
Will you help me?
Will you help me?
Will you help me, my friends?
Will you help me, my friend?
You will help me.
You will help me.
I know very well.
I know very well.
You will try to help me.
You will try to help me work on it.
I will also work on it.
I will also work on it.
I want to say you.
I want to say it daily.
I will talk to the people daily.
I will talk to people the daily.
But I will improve myself.
I will improve myself.
I will improve myself.
I will improve myself.
I will support myself.
I will support myself.
I will give my best
I will give my best
to improve myself.
to the gate of the success.
Education is the key of the success.
The education key
Is the key of success.
key of the success.
Clap for him. Give it. हाँ भाई, तुम्हारी आवाज कहाँ है? हाँ? आवाज कहाँ है? आवाज कहाँ है इसकी? हाँ? आवाज कहाँ है? ये कोई बात नहीं.